Hey guys, it's Deron with Deron's Miracle Meat Dust. We did a video once with some fairly thick cutlets. I got some thinner ones here, so we're going to do a variation with a thinner cutlet today. Instead of cream cheese, we're going to use cheddar cheese. I have some red bell pepper and some white onion. So we're going to do Woody's smoking sauce. Just a little bit of that. I got two of them. So. The yellow mustard. And I'll tell you right now, that Woody's smells, always smells amazing. Worcestershire Sauce. And I got some honey BBQ sauce for some sweetness. Stir it up. I was going to do this beef fajitas, but they had no beef fajitas this weekend, so slather. So, slather's already on. Use some beef dust. We're going to put a little heat on this bad boy right here. So we're only putting it on one side, so I'm going to put kind of a generous amount. Okay. Red bell pepper cut long ways, and then I kind of cut the onions long ways, and I cut them again to kind of stagger them a little bit. Big hunk of cheese, kind of like that. That was a good hunk of cheese. So, roll this up. Okay. So, do this next one first. Okay. Same thing. Four strips of bacon. What you want to do on the bacon, there's always a fat side and a skinny side usually. So if you alternate them, one side to the other, they will usually even out. And that is it. Ready to put them on the grill. Still got some good smoke going. Everybody's on the grill, nice and happy. Put these guys right here. You over there. Oh yeah, he's hot. Oh, look at that. You know what? It's got bacon on it. It's still gonna taste good. There you go.